On top.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and this time it's with recipes that you can prepare for Ramadan. Few healthy ones I would say. Hope you like it. Keep watching. I had put few stories on my Instagram when I was baking this dish. If you're following me there, you will know already. Few of you had asked about it, and it's egg muffins. A very simple yet very delicious savory snack. You can have this at the time of breaking your fast. As it's baked, it's healthy too. For this you need very few ingredients, but you can add more to make it even more tastier. Let me show you the simplest one I made. You will need 1 spring onion, 2 mushrooms, half a capsicum, green chillies and garlic cloves. Chop everything and keep aside. You may add olive oil or any oil. Here I used butter for extra taste. Saute the chopped garlic, spring onion and green chilies in the butter for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low flame. Meanwhile, slice the mushrooms and capsicum in tiny pieces. In between, don't forget to give a mix to the onion so that it doesn't burn. I chopped the capsicum into very tiny pieces so that my kids don't pick those and throw away while eating. Add this to the pan and saute for another 2 minutes. Some salt and crushed black pepper. A bit of oregano and some red chili flakes. Finally go some spring onion leaves. Mix for a minute and then turn off the flame. Let that cool down a bit. Here I used 5 eggs and that was perfect for this recipe. Beat well. Add the onion mushroom mix in this. Add a bit more of salt and crushed black pepper. Now you may add cooked chicken or meat or even sausage for extra taste. This is the basic and simple one I did and my kids loved it. I have this silicone muffin tray that I got from Raisins shop recently. It's better to use a silicone tray or use a cupcake liner in each so that it doesn't stick. Adding some grated mozzarella cheese on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And there you have your delicious egg muffins. Dip in your favorite sauce. We had with my homemade hot sauce. You can get the recipe link below in the description box. Now for muffins, if you're looking for a sweeter version yet a healthy one, the next recipe is for you. For this I chopped few cashews, took a handful of raisins, grated one small carrot in a smaller blade. If my kid sees carrots in it grated in bigger blade, they might by default decide they don't want to have it. So that's why I grated in smaller size. Into a bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas. If your bananas are overripe, you either have to add less jaggery powder or not at all. Here mine wasn't overripe, so I added half cup powdered jaggery, a pinch of salt, break in 2 eggs, add grated carrot and the chopped nuts and raisins. Here again you can even add grated apple. Then goes in oil around 1/4 cup. That's half cup curd. Vanilla essence. Then goes in oats and whole wheat flour. Some baking powder. And then fold well. Now if you're using apple, do add ground cinnamon. Again pouring the mixture 3/4 of the silicone cupcake tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Serve warm and it tastes amazing. Never expected my kids to love these healthy muffins. They enjoyed having it. Next is another healthy yogurt squares or bars that you can have as a pre-workout snack as well. I started my weight loss journey in the mid of Ramadan last year, and I never felt working out a hard task in my Ramadan routine. It's just 45 minutes you need to take out from your routine, and that's very crucial. So here I had few strawberries that wasn't sweet enough to eat. Added that to a blender. Then goes in 1 cup curd. For sweetness, added honey. Blend and keep aside. Into another bowl, add oats. Then goes in peanut butter. Some more honey. Chopped cashews and raisins. Mix well or crumble well with your hand. I had to add a bit more oats to get the right texture. You should be able to spread it as a base in the tray lined with baking paper. Now pour the strawberry mix on top. I had this muesli left. I sprinkled that over the top. But this is totally optional. You may add strawberry slices or chopped nuts. It's okay even if you leave it as such. Now freeze till it gets set. And there you have your healthy and very tasty yogurt snack. Now, however you keep yourself healthy, sometimes there are cravings. And when I crave for cheesy dish, it's either pizza or lasagna that comes into my mind. Preparing lasagna with puff pastry sheets was even more tastier than the original one. Heat some olive oil, saute some chopped onion till it turns soft and light brown. Then goes in minced meat. You can instead add minced chicken or even tuna, it's your preference. Mix well and keep on medium-low flame to cook the meat for 10 minutes. The rest of the cooking will be done in the oven. For some seasoning, I added red chili flakes, sweet paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, cumin powder, oregano. Some salt and crushed black pepper. Keep on medium flame and mix. Turn off the flame and keep that aside. Spread some oil in a baking tray in the bottom layer with the puff pastry sheets. Poke holes so that they don't puff up. Then add half the meat mixture. Now you can keep it as one layer or two layers. I had enough meat mixture, so did it in 2 layers. Evenly spread the meat mix. Then place cheddar cheese slices on top. Again goes on puff pastry sheets and repeat. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. There's your delicious puff lasagna. Enjoy it warm. This can be had as a snack or a main meal. So that's all for today's Iftar recipes. Hope you will try it this Ramadan or even otherwise for those who are not following. Have a blessed month everyone. Stay safe and take care. See you with another video. Until then, bye-bye.